how to add a language to the keyboard on Google Pixel phone. So if you look at my Google keyboard, currently I only have English. I don't have any other language. I can't change to any other language. So to add languages, just go to settings and then type in the search language and then click on language and region. Click here, then click system languages. Over here you can add language, so click add language. So I'm gonna add 2 languages. I'm gonna add Arabic. Okay, and then I'm gonna add Spanish. Okay, now if I go back to the keyboard and check, I'll see like this is the Arabic and then this is the Spanish. That's pretty much it for the video. If you found it helpful, please subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.